redemption. I ain't being no fiend. Flying the star space jaws with 18 dabbling niggas with a whole lot of rats and spray bullets. Stay hooded up in the books. The crazy look, the bad boys sound wackly. Lost the found shit, the brink of things. The dang hip hop music, Scarface, you got. So I'm not through yet. Rhythm and blues, Magic Johnson, the bathroom tissue, which never hated on me. Snitching them niggas in prisons can't look me in my eye 'cause of them bitches joint force. And Bourbon Warren, bad dad. Fresh woods, AM and FM, slavery, nose level. Bass will scratch your mouth. You can't stop singing my flow. I think about crime, think about robbing, killing how niggas got played out of target. Talk about like that and life heck the white crackers whoop one of the guys that can't fight. HIV got to know to pray for me fake like them hoes life so fucked up enough said the bus is on number one spot when the hip hop some of the bright shit. Let one fun light bitch.